We're asked to solve this problem and we notice that it has fractions. So in order to solve this equation, we're going to start by clearing fractions. So let's take a look at our denominators. We have 5 and we have 3. So what we're going to do is find an LCM, a least common multiple. You might also hear least common denominator for 5 and 3. So in this case, we see that both 5 and 3 are prime numbers. And so because they are prime numbers, the only thing that they both go into, or rather the least common number that they both go into, is the product of the two, which in this case is 15. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this equation and we're going to clear fractions by multiplying everything by a 15. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So I'm going to write this out here. Here's 15 times 3 divided by 5y plus, right here, 15 times 1, since we had that 1 there, equal to 15 times 2 divided by 3y. Now that we've done this, all we have to do is solve the equation, but we'll start by simplifying what we've been given. So we have 15 times 3, which we know to be 45. And 45 divided by 5 is 9. So we have 9y. Plus 15 times 1, we know to be 15, equals 15 times 2 is 30. And 30 divided by 3 is 10. So this becomes 10y. Now we remember that we want to get our variables on one side and our numbers, our constants, on another. So in this case, it'll be easier to move the 9y over to the opposite side. So in order to do this, we will subtract 9y so that it cancels out on the left-hand side, and we subtract 9y on the right. Doing so, we realize we're going to end up with a positive value, so we have 15 equals y, or in this case, we can also say y equals 15. So notice that by multiplying by the least common multiple, or least common denominator for that matter, we were able to get rid of the fractions and get a very simple equation, 9y plus 15 equals 10y, that we could solve. So our answer again is y equals 15.